Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about flex sensor, how a flex sensor works, how to interface a flex sensor with Arduino, and control devices like LED and servo motor with flex sensor. So let's get started.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do
A flex sensor, or sometimes called as bend sensor, is a device that measures the amount of bend or angular deflection. Usually a flex sensor is made up of a variable resistive surface and the amount of resistance is varied by bending the sensor. The flex sensor used in this project is about 0.6 cm wide and 8 cm long. Since a flex sensor is basically a resistor, it has two terminals. Coming to the variable resistance part, an unflexed sensor, that is a flex sensor as rest, exhibit a normal resistance value. In my case, the normal resistance of the flex sensor is around 60 kilo ohm. When I bend the sensor, the resistance increases with the increase in the bend angle. Depending on the type of resistive material used on the surface of the flex sensor, there can be different types of flex sensor. Some of them are carbon resistive flex sensor, capacitive flex sensor, fiber optic flex sensor, conductive ink flex sensor. Carbon resistive type flex sensor, which is sometimes called as velocity flex sensor, is the commonly used flex sensor by DIYers and hobbyists. Now that we have seen a little bit about what a flex sensor is and how a flex sensor works, we will now proceed to interfacing a flex sensor with Arduino Uno board. For this we need some components like one Arduino board, flex sensor, servo motor, 10 kilo ohm resistor, LED, breadboard, jumper wires. Just connect everything as in schematic. A flex sensor is nothing but a variable resistor and it can be configured in a voltage divider fashion along with resistor to measure the voltage. One end of flex sensor is connected to ground while the other end is connected to analog input A0 of Arduino. A 10 kilo ohm resistor is connected between the A0 and plus 5 volt of Arduino. This connection means that the flex sensor and the 10 kilo ohm resistor for voltage divider. Just to show some output, I have connected an LED to digital input output pin 8 of Arduino Uno. And now connect the Arduino to PC and upload the code. This code is used to read the analog data from the flex sensor and display it on the serial monitor of Arduino. Additionally, if the value exceeds a certain value, the LED connected to pin 8 will be turned on. Now I am going to control a servo motor using the data obtained after interfacing flex sensor with Arduino. The flex sensor part of the circuit is same as the earlier circuit. Additionally, the servo motor, rather its control pin, that is orange or yellow wire, is connected to digital input output pin 11 of Arduino Uno and VCC to 5 volt and ground to ground. The code for controlling a servo motor using flex sensor and Arduino, just download it from description and upload to your board. Depending on the bend of the flex sensor, the servo motor will change its angle. Here we see as I bend the flex sensor, servo motor changes its position, or I say angle. क्यों, देख के अच्छा लग रहा है ना? तो फिर लाइक करो यार, देख क्या रहे हो, कर दो लाइक। Friends, flex sensor can be implemented in a variety of shapes and sizes. They can be used in application where accurate measurement of motions or angle of a device is to be measured. Some of the applications of flex sensor are like angular displacement measurements in robotics, automotive devices, medical instrument, industrial controls, VR equipment. VR equipment means virtual reality, computer peripherals, motion control, physical therapy, musical instrument, fitness devices, and lots of more applications